Hello, namaste. I'm Dr. Rajani Chinni. Here in this video, I'll be sharing how to make two types of fresh natural vegetable juices very easily at home, which is not only cleansing, detoxifying, energizing, but also very tasty and refreshing too. Though these juices have very less or least fiber, drinking these natural juices on daily basis in the morning has profound benefits on the body and mind as they are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and other plant nutrients. Helps in dealing with oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, boosts energy and improves digestion. Common vegetables which can be used for morning juice are cucumber, bottle gourd, beetroot, carrot, leafy vegetables like spinach, coriander and mint. Fruits that can be added along with other vegetables are oranges, sweet lime, fresh lime, watermelon and apples. Adding fruits is totally optional. Raw spices like turmeric and ginger can also be added. For green juice, I have taken half medium size bottle gourd, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple and in size fresh turmeric and fresh ginger. Wash and cut them into pieces. Add the cut pieces to a juicer to squeeze the juice. I'm not so used to eating salads since my childhood and even now I don't like to eat them. I felt this is the best way to get all the natural plant nutrients from different vegetables. Though we get very less fiber, we can balance the fiber intake in every meal by consuming cooked or stir-fried vegetables, whole grains and pulses in a wide variety of dishes. Do not worry about wasting too much fiber while preparing this juice. The leftover pulp can be used as manure for plants. Once juicing is done, we can add lemon juice and consume it immediately. Let's get to know the ingredients used in the red juice. Here I have taken beetroot, carrot, red apple, fresh ginger and fresh turmeric. Wash, cut and add them in a juicer. I would like to share interesting facts about beetroot juice based on research study data. Nitrates-rich beetroot juice has a wide number of positive health benefits. Reduces oxidative stress, anti-inflammatory, chemoprotective, improves oral and gastrointestinal health, improves heart function, blood circulation and regulates blood pressure. Also improves endurance, exercise and sports performance. Improves brain function, memory and cognition. All these positive benefits are attributed by adding beetroot. There are such many more added benefits when you blend various vegetables with beetroot. Trust me, these juices are very tasty and I enjoy them every morning. Once your body is pumped up with vital nutrients as first thing in the morning, you will automatically avoid binge eating and gain control over your food choices throughout the day. Anyway, give it a try and share your experience in the comments section below. If you like this video and think that others can be benefited too, please do share and subscribe. Stay fit and healthy. Let's all together create a ripple effect of health and happiness everywhere. Thank you so much.